Psychology of money through real estate. Wealth in real estate starts with mindset before money. Most people see land as an expense, while wealthy investors see it as long-term asset because they understand that wealth is built patiently, not overnight. While others focus on spending to impress others, wealthy investors focus on ownership, they focus on leverage, and they focus on long-term investment. And that's why they purchase in developing areas before everyone else arrives. Because they understand that time increases value when it comes to land investment in Nigeria. And also, real estate also teaches us discipline, vision, and delayed gratification. And that's how wealth is built through real estate. Because wealth is not built by what you earn alone, but what you own and hold over time. And that is the psychology behind wealth in real estate. It means positioning yourself for future and thinking beyond today.